Hi there, folks. This is Margaret Klein, and I am coming to you live from 5325 Sharlene Drive here in Titusville, Florida. And before we get way into this, I want to give a big shout out to Cassandra Daniel. She's the listing agent on this gorgeous property, and she was kind enough to allow us to do some video here. And you might get a little bonus. The dog may jump into the picture at times, and the dog is not part of the deal. You do not get the dog. The dog gets to go with the family. But you might want the dog when you see it. Look at that adorable baby. So we are in a 1966 home. It is listed at $305,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little bit over 1,400 square foot. And folks, this one has a pool. It is an amazing pool, and I can't wait to get out there and show you, but I'm going to tease you with everything else first, so you stay with me. So we were in the living room. We got a nice little dining room area, and then I love the homes like this that are like a complete circle. If you have kids or pets, they absolutely love going in these circles. So we've got some nice terrazzo flooring in here, and that is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3, and I've got to brag about this wall. Look at this wall, folks. Isn't that amazing? I love the colors in that. It's just such a cool concept. We do have our hall bath here, so I'm going to try really hard not to be in the picture. And we do have the tub shower combo, and again, look at this amazing wall, folks. Love the colors in there. Accents everything nicely. And then we're going to go into the primary, folks. And this is a nice size bedroom here, folks. Take a look at this. We've got our closet over on the side. We've got the bathroom over here. Again, trying really hard to stay out of your photos. We do have the shower in this one, whereas we had the shower and the tub in the other one. So we are going to cruise this way, and we are going to go over towards the kitchen in a moment so that you can see that side of the house. But I'm going to back up so you can get a good view of the living room area one more time, and then we're going to do the little corner here, and we are going to jump into this kitchen area. Love these cabinets, the dark contrast with the white countertops so nicely. You've got a gorgeous island. Love the handles on all this stuff. The little top area to hang stuff. And then you've actually got a formal dining room area over here on this side. So you do have a lot of space over here to work with. Make that into pretty much anything you want to. We're going to do a quick peek out into the garage because I know everybody likes to take a look at the garage. You do have your washer and dryer out in the garage here. Lots of shelving, so some cool stuff there. Love the barnyard door to cover up the slider if you wanted to. But we're going to pop out here because I know you're excited to see this area. So we've got this gorgeous pool. We are in a screened-in area. Nice pool. Look at this. Isn't this amazing, folks? Nice pool area. Look at the little bar area. Isn't that cute? Lots of cool ideas for decorating if you decide this is going to be your home. So, gorgeous pool area. We've got some nice pavers out here. It's super cute with the pavers. We've got a nice shed. A yard area. And folks, since we didn't take a look at the front earlier, I'm going to see. Nope, I'm locked in. I was going to see if I could go through there to get out to the front because I don't want to let that cute little doggy run when I go out front. But we're going to jump out front in a second. We'll go ahead and go back through the home, go out there. Of course, we'll look one more time at this gorgeous pool area. That's such a cute design down on the bottom. And back into the kitchen area. One more view from this side of the kitchen. And that great space over there on that side. And around to the living room. And we're going to slide out front real quick while the doggy's not near me. So excuse the weird turn I just took there. But look at this. It's got all these pavers out here. A little bit of the area view and the front of the home. So folks, just to recap, we are at 5325 Sharlene Drive here in Titusville, Florida. We're listed at $305 for a pool home. Folks, you get a pool home for that price. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,400 square foot, 1966 home. So folks, if you would like to take a look at this home, you can call the list agent, Cassandra Daniel, if you would like to, and she is with Signature Brokers Realty, or you can give myself a call, Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast realtor, at 321-480-7662. Hope you have an amazing Florida day, and I hope to talk to you soon.